welcome back to the day 3 of Kashmir. We are proceeding from Gulmarg to Srinagar, and I'll tell you what all we do in Srinagar. As Srinagar is one of the main places, as you know, it's the capital of Kashmir, the winter or summer capital. So I woke up now and took bath, and currently my brother is taking bath, everyone is ready, and the view was so nice. Yeah, so this is for our breakfast: tea, sugar, and curds, bombita, etc., pickle, mango juice, banana, cornflakes, and paratha, aloo paratha. Poha and bread with jam or butter, your choice. So guys, we are leaving towards Srinagar right now from Gulmarg. Why Gulmarg? So guys, we are here at the parking in which we have to walk and go to multiple gardens like Tulip Garden and etc. So guys, we had Pani Puri here and we had Bel Puri there. It was good, and now we are proceeding towards the Tulip Garden, and we are gonna just ask where is it, what, and everything. Okay, this is the Srinagar Botanical Garden. It's like Lal Bagh in Bangalore. This is Srinagar Botanical Garden. We are here at this new South Indian tea stall, small restaurant, but this is what we got, nothing else. And so guys, we have arrived here at ghat number 17, and from here we are going to take a small boat and go to the main houseboat, which is Boston Gulistan houseboat, which is very big. So we are going to take a small boat and go. So we had to come to ghat number 14, guys. So guys, we are in the boat, and only four in a boat. Hey, so guys, basically we have so we have entered the boat. Unfortunately, it's just painted just 1 hour ago. So lot of paint, smell, and you can't even touch stuff. So that's the unfortunate thing. But this is the boat. I'll give you a tour. Table, sofa, and yeah. water. There's a TV, dining table, sofa, and then let's see what do we have. This is dining table. Here we have place to go up. Don't know why. And what is this? Okay, this is like hand wash stuff. And okay, room here. Let's try. So secondly, we have stuff here. What's this? Okay, some storage stuff. And then we have got lights and one more room, same stuff. One inch. Yeah, some same storage. And the final room.
Finally, this guy we have to breathe.
So guys, this is the toilet tour. Wow, a bathtub, a jumbo size bathtub. I think this is my second or third time. The main stuff, and yeah, and who's this? Bye. Oh my god, guys, it's raining so hard. I mean, it's so much. I can't show you, unfortunately, because of this thing, but it's raining a lot. And unfortunately, we had the plan of going the Shikara ride for 1 hour, Shikara ride, but that's also cancelled due to the rain. Oh my god, the board is shaking. It's that thing. Okay. So guys, I know you can't see anything, but anyways, we have had our dinner. It was paneer, matar paneer, and some like mixed vegetable with roti and rice and curds. And now we are going to sleep. Tomorrow, by the way, what we have to do is we have to wake up at 6:15, and by 7 o'clock we should finish our bath and have breakfast, and then at 7:30 we have to go to the Shikara ride. Yeah.